Today we are very, very excited to be here at Impala grounds for the 41st tournament of the Floodlights. I think for us it's a very exciting opportunity in partnership with Impala to actually be sponsoring this event. We have come here with Safaricom Hook because we truly believe that one of our great pillars, which is around providing a platform that ensures the youth can live out their passion points, comes truly to life with rugby.
And today's game has showed enthusiastic and passion for all the athletes. And it is our great honor to be part of it.